Ahmadiyya is one of the sects in Islam,
Ahmadiyya is the genuine
through Islam.
and they are the people or the Muslims who believe in the Imam of the age.
حضرة ميرزا غلام أحمد القادياني.
Peace, truth, harmony, loyalty,
brotherhood,
understanding, unity, spiritual
set me on the right path.
spiritual upliftment.
I became a better person than before.
They're giving me a bit of peace of mind.
Get rid of misconception which came to us through tradition and not through Islam.
It's made Islam accessible.
Through Ahmadiyya, I understood where are we now.
Changed my life.
Helping me growing as a personality,
Union with God.
giving a goal in this life.
My aspirations have completely changed.
It's also given me a belief in a God that I can access.
It has given me a stronger purpose in life.
Revival of Islam.
Pure peace of mind.
Fulfillment of prophecies.
Dreams often occurring at the same time that I've met Huzur.
The arguments of Ahmadiyya are really very clear and very genuine.
Powerful divine signs. Because of the teachings of the promised Messiah.
The prophecies about the promised Messiah, the solar eclipse, the lunar eclipse,
Because of spiritual leader.
but also a lot about direct experience of God through Ahmadis.